Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm very happy. I just saw that my channel is starting to take off. I mean, it took a very, very long trip. I mean, I have 44 videos, of which most have 0 views and 0 comments and 0 likes, as you can see in my channel here in my statistics area. Wow, 5 likes. Actually, it was really fun to see that someone didn't like it because, oh, here you see one unlike. I was like, well, at least you watched it, because to unlike something, you have to watch the entire thing all the way through. So, yeah, hey guys, that makes me super happy. 125 views in one day. Come on, guys. That's amazing. It's almost like, I don't know, cool. And then 10 views and then 21. I just saw this now because before I only saw that there were like 75. So, excellent. I mean, I could refresh the page and see if we have more. 125, 10, and 25, okay? So 125, 10, and 25. 125, 10, and 25. Come on, load faster. So slow. 125, 18, and 28. Look at that. And still 5 likes. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Okay, but let's get back to business and look at what's happening to Tesla. Okay, I just published my video about whether you should buy or hold or sell through the weekend, and just look what happened. That was when we were going up, and now it's going down, all the way down. So I'm going to clear all these drawings, all these graphs, and we can check this in a different way, different perspective. What I can see already is that the MACD seems to be flattening down a little bit, but nonetheless, the reality, the value of the stock is going down very steeply, which is very concerning in a way, because normally it should be the other way around, or it happens the other way around. So what shall we do? Shall we buy more? In my side, I always have some stocks going on. So I have some orders that you can see here. So eventually, oh, I can see another one went through. Really? Oh my God. Look. The one at 424 that we set in the previous video went through, but also this one at 421.50, and I'm pretty sure there was one at 416, which I don't see. But how can we check that out? We can, I know, 416, no, probably I changed that one into this. Okay, so that didn't go through, nothing happened. So, next thing to do, remember 421.50, 421.50 divided by 101, that would be 1 percentage point less. It would be 417, and before I had 416. So we still have budget to buy a few, which I mean, we could actually try to get more budget. How do we do that? So we check for all the other transactions. What I'll do is close this. I'll close stuff. That way we are more focused on just the transactions. And I just sort by buy. And I have to check what's the value of the entire transaction. So mostly the biggest values are Tesla. So I could delete some of these. I could delete Switch, for example. I already have some shares in Switch. I think I have a Dropbox. I'm not sure. Walgreens, that's for sure. It's gone. We'll delete Dropbox too. And we'll delete Upwork also. And we're going to focus on the strong horses. I like Etsy, and I like Advanced Micro Devices, and I like Tesla. So I'm going to refresh because this is not refreshing very annoying. It makes us waste so much time. And look at that, we just gained $2,000 of budget to buy Tesla in case we want to buy it. But what I would do in this situation is keep our eyes open. Don't buy too much. Now, I mean, we have set many orders. For me, this would be like a new ground level. Okay, we set many orders at a very low level, but Tesla might fall 7% tomorrow and another 7% the day after tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow, Monday. So what's going to happen? My trail of thought is that now people will buy at this sell price for sure. There's going to be a lot of people, even though volume wise we don't see much volume going on here. When I click here, you have to look at this thing here, volume. Okay, so when I'm on top of this, you see, okay, 700,000 transactions happening at that moment, 800,000, 600. Okay, so there seems to be a lot of volume, but there seems to be more offer than demand, and that's normally happening when people don't want the stock. Okay, that's why the price drops. Let's think, come on, think about it. Shall we buy or not? 418, I mean, we could start setting some orders at lower levels. So we're going to filter by Tesla, the way we only see Tesla. And we're going to buy, for example, we can say one Tesla share at this price, which now it looks like it might be turning around. I was thinking 418. Okay, we'll do one at 418. And then buy one 418 because we calculated it was going to be 417, just to be sure that we buy one at least at a low price. Okay, then we'll do two, or the next one. The next one is going to be another one. Okay, at 418 divided by 1005. It's 0.50 cents. That would be 117. Okay, 116. In that case, we'll maintain the 417, €1 less, or 416.50 will do. From that one, we'll do two. If it drops more, we want to start buying more. And we'll do from the 416.50 divided by 1 percentage point, we'll buy two. And that's going to be a 412. But sorry, we already have the 412, which we're going to have to move down because we don't want to buy, in case this continues falling down, we don't want to buy too many at a very high price because it will be high price if it continues to fall. So let's refresh. You see we have 412. So if we do divided by 0.1, it would be the next one. That's a very, it feels like it's a lot more down. Huh? So we set one, 418, 416. The 412 would become that we buy two. Sorry, I'm gonna filter by Tesla and we'll sort by price. So the 412 that we have four, that's a lot, and we want to be 408. 408 will do. And then why do we have two here and the 404, which is a lot, divided by 101, it's 404. So that's, we don't even need to do that one or change it. We still have budget for one more, which I'm I'm gonna refresh again because this doesn't update. In the meantime, what I'll do is I'll check. Oh, look, 419. Okay. Okay, I put 418. I don't know why I put that. Oh, probably we were at 418, 20, 12. 418, 12. And this shows me that it's still falling. Okay, the momentum is still in the downtrend. I can see, I mean, it's trying to recover, but so far these two are not even getting close to each other. No conversion, and although I see that it's going up in value. Tesla again, here we filter. Here we see this. Look at our loss for today. It's humongous. Humongous, guys. It's humongous. Okay. So let's recapitulate. 418. We could do one now at 419. That way we buy, at least we try to buy one, although it looks like it has to continue to go down. Come on. It has to continue to go down because of this. I can refresh just to be sure. While it's refreshing, we'll do the, I'm not going to do the 419. We'll save that as a backup plan in case, but we have it ready here. We have it set. We have 418, 416 because the gap is so small. This one we can always lower it if we see that we get close to the 418. Actually, I can be ready. In case we see we're getting to the 418, we can do 417.50. I'm not clicking confirm. I just have it ready. Oh, look at that. Why? That's giving me no matter what price. 419, okay. And we're gonna put the 1 minute so we see more in detail the most accurate information. I saw a lot of red stocks in there. That's showing that the market is going down, the entire market. So this might be a correction, but it's so steep, it's so big, 6%. It tried to go down this morning. We know why it's going down this morning. It's the entire thing that's happening worldwide. It's affecting everyone. I cannot mention it, but that's where we're living now, this moment. And look at this, 418.64, and it's crossing back up. Let's see. Let me check something out. I want to be in the 5, and then I want to be in the 1 minute, and then I want to zoom in as much as possible. Look at that, the gap between the 50, which is the red, and the 200. It's humongous. That shows momentum in the down direction. But look, it's trying to recover. It's trying to recover, guys. We can do 418.50 and see if that goes through. And we can at least buy one, and we are now there, so we are at that level. So normally that one should go through. Okay. For some reason this looks so weird when I zoom it out. It looks like it's almost moving sideways, but that wasn't the case. Probably I was in the 5 minute before. But it doesn't look as steep, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I was in the 5 minute interval. Normally, if that it didn't even, this is not, the order is not found, so that means we actually bought it. Okay, and I'm gonna just show it to you, because it's been 2 days that the system is very slow and not working properly. But while that loads, we check the graph and we check, look at that, 418.15, okay, keeps on going down, guys, keeps on going down. So that was a mistake to put the price up just to try to save that one. But it looked in the previous, in the 5 minute, it looked like it was going up. Oh, look, it's not even touching. In the 5 minute, it's not touching. We can even check in the 2 minute. You see, it's barely trying to get there, but the most important one is the 1 minute right now, because we're checking the millimetric millisecond measure at the moment. So as you can see, it's trying to recover, it's going down. Trying to recover, going down. So normally when that happens, the stock value moves sideways. Offer and demand are more or less equal. And here we can see the volume, it's going down. Look at that, volume is 99,000. And before we were at 600,000. That's 100, 130, 146, 116, 200. So look at that, from the 400 something that we were seeing before, 600, volume has decreased a lot. So that might mean a change in trend, and we'll check one important thing, which is the RSI, because let's see if we can, even if you click don't like, I like it, guys. So because yeah, it makes me happy. At least it means you watched it. And I just wanted to say something about the channel. I forgot to mention it. Most likely no one is going to get to this point, but I mostly do it just to get some discipline when trading. So I really recommend people to do your own channel. It gives you discipline because you set a strategy and you try to follow it, because you are telling everyone you're doing it. So then it looks bad if you don't do it. The days I don't do the channel and I trade, I make a lot more mistakes. And that's the way I am, because I'm not a very organized person, and that's I don't follow my own word. And the worst thing is that I don't remember, I forget. And you will see that many times through the channel I say, oh, I forgot this, and or I left an order open and then it got sold and I didn't want to sell it. A mistake here and there. But yeah, I think I make less mistakes if I'm talking, because you keep it in your mind longer. It goes from the short-term memory to the long-term memory, and that way you remember. You visualize it more mentally, more photographically, I would say, in your head. Don't listen to me. So I'm not a financial advisor. All this is in my opinion, and I'm not a very technical person either. So yeah, make your own decisions and do your own research. Everything I am talking about here, I've learned it through 1 year that I've been trading. And I watch a lot of YouTube channels and a lot of YouTube channels, basically, because I haven't read many books related to this. I read business books, but not really trading books. So I think it's time to say goodbye. Please click on the like and subscribe button. I hope you like this one as the one I showed you before, that there were 150 views, guys, come on. So I really appreciate. Watch that one too if you didn't watch it, because most likely it won't be the same people watching this one and the other one. But okay, look at that. I like it. Tesla is going back up. It's recovering. Shall you hold it through the weekend, or buy or sell? What shall you do? I mean, I wouldn't sell unless you're in a sell position, which I doubt, since it has fallen 6%. I wouldn't sell, but that's me. Unless you really need the money, I would try to either hold it, which is what I'm going to do, and buy more in case on Monday pre-hours this thing boosts and goes all the way up. Don't buy too much, because if it goes down, then you can buy more in the next sale day, okay? Monday, Black Monday we'll call it, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.